Hey guys, what's going on? Tahir here, and welcome to this video AI Sales Rocket review. In this video, I will show you all the features of the software, a full demo of it, and also the unique bonuses that I put together for you to help you get the most out of Beetle and Bear. In mind that you won't find these bonuses anywhere else, so please stay until the end of this video so you can check them all. And now I'm inside Beetle, as you see. Asterisk, if you are publishing books on Amazon KDP or planning to start a passive income stream online, then today's video might be very interesting for you. Today, I'm going to review a brand new AI software called AI Sales Rocket. This tool claims that you can publish once, promote everywhere, and sell your books on autopilot using AI. But the real question is, does it actually work? Is it beginner-friendly? And is it worth your money? The problem section before we talk about the software. Let's first understand the problem. If you are an Amazon KDP author, you probably already know that publishing books is not the hardest part. The real challenge is marketing and getting traffic to your books. Many authors struggle with creating social media content, promoting their books consistently, getting traffic to their Amazon listing, and without traffic, your books simply don't sell. This is exactly the problem AI Sales Rocket claims to solve. What is AI Sales Rocket? Sales Rocket is an AI-powered book promotion and traffic automation software designed specifically for Amazon KDP authors. In simple terms, it helps you promote your books automatically across social media platforms using AI-generated content. The main idea behind the software is simple. You publish your book once, connect your social media accounts, and the software automatically generates promotional posts for your book. These posts are then shared across multiple platforms, helping drive traffic to your Amazon book page. And the best part is that this process can run 24/7 on autopilot. Basically, this video we will see together a full demo in a few minutes. But before doing so, I want to let you know that in the description below, you find the link to my bonus page that you see now on the screen. Here in the bonus page, you will find all the information that you need about the software, the funnel with the pricing that we'll see together later on, and then all the unique bonuses that I prepared for you. And these bonuses are created by me to help you get the most out of Beetle, and you won't find them anywhere else. So I invite you to take action and grab them now. These bonuses also will expire when timer here hits 0, so I really invite you to take action. Because you won't find them anywhere else, and they are really congruent with AI Sales Rocket. For example, the first one is Amazon KDP Full Video Course. This complete step-by-step training shows you exactly how to publish and sell your own books on Amazon. Even if you're a total beginner, you'll learn how to find profitable ideas, create your book, and launch it the right way. So instead of guessing, you'll have a clear roadmap to start generating passive income with KDP. Click the link below in description to get access to AI Sales Rocket and claim this bonus for free. Bonus number 2 is the Digital Marketing Ultimate Guide. This powerful guide teaches you how to drive traffic, generate leads, and turn visitors into buyers. You'll learn proven strategies for social media, content marketing, and online growth. So you're not just promoting, you're actually building a system that converts. Don't miss out. Click the link below in description. Unlock AI Sales Rocket with all my exclusive bonuses instantly. Number 3 is the Big Book of Digital Marketing. This comprehensive guide gives you deep insights into SEO, content marketing, social media, and online growth strategies. It helps you understand how to attract the right audience and turn that traffic into real results. So instead of guessing what works, you'll be following proven strategies that actually drives sales. Click the link below in description now and unlock AI Sales Rocket with all my exclusive bonuses instantly. Number 4 is the Social Media Marketing Strategy Guide. This guide shows you how to grow your audience, increase engagement, and drive targeted traffic from social media platforms. You'll learn how to create content that actually gets attention and turns followers into buyers. So, instead of posting randomly, you'll have a clear strategy that works. Click the link below in description now and unlock AI Sales Rocket with all my exclusive bonuses. Instantly. Bonus number 5 is the Digital Marketing Strategy Ebook. This ebook helps you understand how to build a complete marketing system from finding your target audience to generating consistent traffic and leads. You'll learn how to turn your ideas into a real online business with proven strategies that actually work. So instead of guessing, you'll have a clear roadmap to grow and scale. Click the link below in description now and unlock AI Sales Rocket with all my exclusive bonuses instantly. Bonus number 6 is the Vendor Bonuses package. You'll get additional powerful tools, including a book cover generator, multilingual features to sell worldwide, a keyword research tool, and a fast-track setup guide. These bonuses are designed to help you launch faster, reach more audiences, and increase your chances of success. So you're not just getting the software, you're getting a complete system to grow. You just need to click one of these orange buttons here, and it will be redirected to the official sales page of video, which is this one. And here, if you scroll down by clicking one of these buttons, you get access to the software and also to this package of unique bonuses. So I really invite you to take action now, before the countdown is 0. So again, let's check one moment the sales page. So now we will return to my bonus page that you find in the link below this video, and here we will see together again these bonuses, and I remind you that these bonuses are available only if you buy through me and are available only until this countdown timer is 0. So you need to take action now, and these bonuses will help you a lot with AI Sales Rocket will help to you with your business up to get more conversion, sales, and also you get all these unique vendor bonuses, which are really useful too. And to get all this package of bonuses along with the software, you just need to click one of these orange buttons. Inside my bonus page, you will go in the sales page of the vendor, and here you need to buy and you will get your bonuses now. Let me walk you through the pricing and funnel of AI Sales Rocket. The front-end version of AI Sales Rocket starts at just $17.97. This gives you access to the core software where you can begin promoting your book using AI automation. Next, there is an optional order bump called the Book Blurb Engine for $27. This tool helps you create high-converting Amazon book descriptions, ad copy, and keyword strategies. Upgrade number 1 is the Unlimited Edition, priced at $97. This unlocks unlimited book promotions, multiple pen names, and full automation features. Upgrade number 2 is the Agency version, which costs $147. This is designed for advanced users, allowing you to manage clients, teams, and scale your publishing business. Upgrade number 3 is WriteLab for $37. This includes templates and AI prompts to help you create books faster and more efficiently. Then we have Market Pulse, a recurring upgrade at $9.97 per month. This gives you access to niche research and market trend data based on real Amazon insights. Finally, there is the Author AI Academy, available for $28 per month or $280 per year. This includes ongoing training, new AI tools, and access to a private community of authors. So that's the complete pricing and funnel structure of AI Sales Rocket. So basically, that's all for my review of Beetle. Thanks for staying with me, and I invite you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification button so you can be updated whenever a new review is out. Thanks again for staying with me. See you in my next video.